This is a assa cabinet lock. It's a 5-pin core. This is the key and the bitting for it. It only turns counterclockwise. Oh geez. So the fastest way I found to get into it is just with the Law Lock Tools City Rake. It feels like it might have tapered pins in it. It definitely doesn't have spools or barrel spools, but they don't feel standard. It feels kind of like tapered standard pins. So to try to get into it, I'm going to use my Law Lock Tools pry bar in 39 thousandths and just a Moki standard slim. So nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3. Click out of 4, nothing on 5. 1, maybe something at 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it's not like a hard lock to pick. Just constantly bumping these pins up, trying to make sure everything's going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 opens it up. So I had to hit every pin several times just to get it to go up above the shear line. But that's the assa cabinet lock that Otter Arms sent me.